Some of you may know the story of David vs. Goliath, a story of a young Hebrew boy who defeated a giant with just a slingshot. One writer says about the story, when Goliath came up against the Hebrews, the soldiers all thought, "He's so big, we can never kill him." But David, on the other hand, looked at the same giant and thought, "He's so big, I can't miss." So keep the proper perspective about every challenge, every obstacle, and every adversity you face. So when it gets hard at school, when it gets hard at home, when you feel like quitting, and when life is just hard, I ask the question, is the giant too big or is your attitude too small? Hello, my name is Raheem Nichols and I am the director of Magnet's Early College Early Career Program. For us, the support is the major thing to get these students through the program. Our students come from a number of different backgrounds and different stories and different barriers that they have. And so we want to make sure that we're meeting every barrier as best as we can. We try to wrap our students as tightly as we can with everything that they need. The last thing we want is for life to be a barrier to your completion of this program.
I think that it's important to have mentors because navigating through anything in life, to have your own personal cheerleader, it means everything, and that's what we are able to provide through the ECEC mentorship. A cheerleader for each student to make it to the next level.
We cover everything from pulling up at the work, there's issue at home, need some advice, need some mentorship, need a ride, a cash app. We cover everything.
Our mentors are not only career-minded, they are also people-minded. So we want to make sure that our mentors are offering our students a different type of support that they may get from a normal mentoring program, so to speak. We want to make sure that our mentors are giving our students the professional advice they need, the career advice they need, but also the life advice they need.
So for me, it's showing them that I care about their success and their well-being as a person, and first and foremost, and then do whatever I can to help them succeed, but also let them know that I can only want this as much as you want this.
Born and raised here in Cleveland, plan on staying in Northeast Ohio, raising my family, and that's who these students are. They're here in Northeast Ohio trying to decide what they want to do with themselves, and that was me. That was me 20 years ago. And so to be in this position now, I really do feel lucky that I'm able to inspire the next generation because someone did it for me.
I love to express how we have students from suburban schools and students from our inner city school districts that in normal circumstances, they would never come together. But in this program, we're bringing a student from Wycliffe down to a student from Shaw High School. And so bringing them together, we're knocking down those barriers, we're knocking down prejudices and things like that as well. So again, we're here for more than just a career. We're here to make our students better humans as well.
Know each other, to get to know each other's background. We make sure we mix up our professional development sessions and our team outings. We go bowling, we go to eat, we have basketball, open gym. Like we try to connect our students as much as we can before they start work, so they feel like they have allies once the work starts in the summer.
So what is the ideal ECEC student? We're looking for that student that may want to go to college. We're looking for the student that may want to go straight to work after high school. We're also looking for the student that maybe want to do a combination of the two, where they want to go to work and they want to go to college at the same time. And so we want to make sure that we're laying those pathways out for the ECEC students.
Being exposed is how we learn about things we want in life. Whether you're exposed to a sport or to a musical instrument, those experiences is what help you decide whether or not this is something you want to commit to. And that's what students get through our program, Early College, Early Career. It's the exposure piece.
If you're unsure and you know you want to be successful, but you don't necessarily know how, and obviously you're okay with working hard and you like working with your hands a little bit and building things, join ECEC, because we open doors and pathways to careers that are literally in your backyard.
Our company partners are about community, and so not only do they want to see the students be successful, they know that opening these opportunities and these doors for these students can literally change their circumstances. Like, yes, we want you in careers, we want to get you a job, but we want you to have a why. And so when you wake up in the morning, we want to know why you're waking up. You want to know that you have a purpose, that you have a destiny, you have a reason to be here. But the ECEC program is to help you with that why, to help you with a career, but also help you with that purpose, and that's why we're here.